Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be hopping right into this video by riding my Razor MX650 in the snow. As you can see, it's snowing out. It just started snowing out like a couple hours ago, and we're gonna get straight into riding. Today is Christmas Eve, so yeah, Christmas is tomorrow. We're gonna see if I get any bike parts or not. Yeah, none of the roads are plowed yet, which is pretty nice, but I also gotta watch out for plow trucks. I'm sliding a little bit. Oh, I'm drifting. That's so fun. This is so fun. Yesterday I made a video, and I posted it yesterday, on how to get your Razor ready for the snow so you can ride it like me. Oh my god, this is so fun. Drifting, oh my god. I'm going like 33 miles per hour right now. I'm not so good cornering on the right, so that's why I slow down on the right corners. Oh, my bike did a little wheelie, a power wheelie. I'm gonna go turn right here actually. It's all dirt here. A little drift. Hopefully the camera does not get all snow on it. A little jump. We do have the Christmas lights on, looks pretty cool. Oh my god, this bike's so fun in the snow. Little wheelie. Ooh, sliding out a little. Since it started snowing like an hour or two ago, I should not worry as much for ice under the road because it was perfectly dry yesterday. I mean, I'm sliding right now. I was like fishtailing. My back end was just swerving around. Oh, and then someone drove right here, so not gonna go on that. Oh. I'm gonna turn on my headlight just in case. Is it on? Now it's on. Oh, there's the truck. Oh my god, oh my god. I almost died right there. I hit the brakes. I should not have done that. I thought I was gonna lose the bike right there. Safe dirt. Okay. Oh my god. Almost went in the ditch. I was like, should I hit my back brake or should I hit my front brake? And then I started hitting both and it did not stop. Car. Off-road in here. course, my back shock is locked. I am not going to go on the main road today because plow trucks and all these other crazy drivers on the snow. So it's better safe than sorry. Oh, I'm fishtailing. Oh, sliding around that corner. I'm gonna stop right here real quick because my jacket's not zipped up all the way. My neck is literally getting hammered with snow. Okay, it's fixed. My neck is so cold. It is only 13 degrees out right now, so it is kind of like icy snow right now. So, going this way. Fresh powder. Oh, little jump. This is so cool. Nobody has been on the road yet. Well, there's one car, obviously, but this is pretty cool. I don't want to go any faster than this because I don't feel like dying like I did a couple weeks ago. Oh, never mind, I'm going faster. Oh. Plow trucks, see, this is what I'm talking about. I gotta be careful for that. Well, it looks like I'm gonna just turn around and follow it back because I don't want to be stuck. Oh yeah, it's all ice now because the plow truck scraped it all off, but now there's nothing but ice on the ground. So that was very short-lived. Normally, if it snows, like overnight, if I wake up around 6 o'clock, I have a good couple hours of riding before the plow trucks come. But today, unfortunately, it didn't start snowing until 7 and it's 9 o'clock now, so everybody's up. So obviously the snow companies are already plowing. So that was very short-lived. I'm gonna go try back riding to where I was before. The guy waved. Seems like he was cool. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of his way though. The snow is just pounding on my face. I have a ski mask on and it still hurts. There we go, back to here. Little drip. Okay, yeah, the plow trucks are still gone in here. For now, at least. If you guys want to see daily TikToks of me posting bike videos, scooter videos, etc., go follow the TikTok Josh Lindsay 02. And on Instagram tomorrow, if I post this video today, on Christmas Day, I'm gonna have a giveaway, not saying what, and the giveaway will be over on New Year's. Oh my God, it got more slippery. Drifting. And we slid out again. I mean, of course I try to avoid that. Bike's perfectly fine. All right, back to it. I slid out, kind of funny, but oh, now my brake's acting weird. Okay, I got it back. I got it. My brake's back. I came around the corner a little too fast. I mean, obviously falling like that is not bad because you just slide. But yeah, bike's perfectly fine. My brakes do feel a little weird. Oh no, they're good. My brakes are back. Just a little double check. Foot peg, that's the only thing. I mean, yeah, it's supposed to fold up like that. That's normal. I mean, I didn't really fall hard. And this is why I have a kickstand here still, because it protects all this. And yeah, brakes fine. Everything's fine. So yeah, we're good. Adjust that down. Okay. So that's just a good example that there's kind of like ice under the snow right now. I mean, early in the video I said there was no ice, but then when that guy plowed with the plow truck, I saw this ice under the snow. Probably because it might have rained last night. I have no idea. Yesterday it was fine. Oh yeah, my brakes are 100% back. I don't know why, they're actually working better than before. I have to like pump it back. Couple turkeys I passed back there. I'm still sliding around even on the dirt. I might have to call it a video. I'm just gonna head back. As you saw, I'm slipping and sliding. I don't know if you guys can see the back of my bike. Well, obviously not because the GoPro's facing forward. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video so I don't die again. Well, I mean, that was not bad. That's like a baby fall, but I don't feel like doing that anymore. So yeah, so thank you for watching this very short and simple YouTube video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Okay, I know I was gonna end the video right there, but this is a little status report on the snow and the bike. So clearly it's not too bad. I mean, literally no snow really on the motor because of that rear fender. If you watched my previous YouTube video, you would know what I'd be talking about. Yeah, snow right there. For some reason, something's dripping right there. Where is that coming from? Oh, it's just a little snow right under the motor. Just a tiny bit. But not too bad, not too bad. So yeah, so my race is perfectly fine, even after the fall, because I have this bar protecting, like the side pretty much, besides that wire, which is a motor wire, but my leg was protecting it. And yeah, so only two things, like the two big things protecting you when you fall in the snow is your foot peg and the kickstand, if you fall on that side. And obviously just the foot peg on this side. So yeah, so thank you for watching this YouTube video, and stay tuned for another one.